Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Blake. I'm a board certified nephrologist and I'm also the cooking doc. And this week I'm going to give you the top 5 things to drink to keep your kidneys healthy, and I'm also going to let you in on a little secret that even your doctor may not know. Stay tuned. Before we get started, I want to make sure you never miss a new video, a new recipe, or a new cooking tip. I want you to stay as healthy as possible, eat the most delicious food, so make sure you click that little subscribe button and hit that bell so you never miss a new recipe. First, the secret. Even though the choice of what you drink has a tremendous impact on your long-term kidney function, most of us are pretty hydrated all of the time. So the problem isn't that our kidneys aren't getting enough water, because they are, but it's that we're getting the water from sources that also contain a lot of hidden sugar. So instead of choosing to drink a cup of water, you may choose to drink juice, sweet tea, soda. All those things can increase your risk of obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure. All 3 of those things are some of the top risks for developing kidney disease. Now we have to talk about the 5 best things to replace those sugar-sweetened beverages with. Number 1, black coffee. It seems every week a new study comes out touting the benefits of black coffee. Even last week, I just saw one that was kind of right up my alley that said black coffee, not only will it not worsen your kidney function, but if you have kidney disease, it may offer a little bit of a protective benefit. Coffee has also been linked to a lower risk of cancer and cardiovascular disease. If you can't figure out how to drink black coffee and enjoy it, check out my top 10 tips right here for ways to incorporate black coffee into your life so you don't feel like you're drinking mud. Next, let's talk about green tea. Green tea is full of polyphenols, which act as antioxidants inside the body. Now, do those antioxidants and does that green tea actually provide a protective benefit in your health? I'm not sure, but I do know there's just something so meditative and so nice about a relaxing cup of green tea made correctly. Can get you into a really zen state. The key to making green tea not taste bitter is to make it correctly. So you heat your water up to about 170, 180 degrees, so not quite boiling. And then you pour it over your tea bag, your green tea bag, and you let it steep for only about 2 to 4 minutes before enjoying it. Next, on the best thing to drink for your kidneys is beet juice. Beet juice has these things called nitrates in them, which convert into nitric oxide when they get into your body. That nitric oxide releases your blood vessels so they relax, and so that can help decrease your blood pressure some. Now, nobody that I know of can drink enough beet juice so that it impacts your health in a positive way for the long run, but when you're reaching for something that's healthy to drink, beet juice is a great thing to reach for. Now, here's a caveat about beet juice, is that it has a lot of potassium in it, so if you have kidney disease or a high potassium level in your blood, you want to be real careful about how much beet juice to drink. You want to hear more about beets and beet juice? Check out, I made a whole video about beets right here. Number 4, seltzer water. Seltzer water doesn't necessarily have any positive benefits on the kidneys, but here's where I think it comes into play. For a lot of you that need that carbonation with soda or diet soda, both of which have been linked to kidney disease in the long run. I'm not saying they cause kidney disease, but diet soda and regular soda have been linked to the development of kidney disease. So every one of you who can't get enough of that carbonation, can't get on the regular water train because you need those bubbles, seltzer water is a great place to start. If you can't drink seltzer water plain, mix it with a tiny bit of freshly squeezed orange juice and some herbs. Fabulous. Okay, now for the big reveal. The number 1 thing to drink to keep your kidneys healthy is, drum roll please, regular water. Yay! I mean, come on, what else did you think I was going to say? Regular water has 0 calories in it. It's easy to get for most of us, and it really does quench your thirst. You may have to change your buds a little bit so you appreciate the taste of fresh, regular water, but it can be done. So choose one of these 5 things when you're going to the counter, going to the cabinet, going to the store and trying to figure out what to drink. These should be the base of the way you quench your thirst and the way you keep yourself hydrated. Thank you guys for joining me this week. I'm Dr. Blake, the Cooking Doc. We will see you next week. Make sure you go to my website, thecookingdoc.co, thecookingdoc.tv. Sign up for my newsletter. We have weekly recipes and tips directly to your email inbox. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Change your buds. We'll see you next time.